What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We're doing the final mini for Lorenzo's Crosby scripted swatches. So we're gonna go 3 times, and the top 2 names are gonna win into the main. So I'm gonna go down here and type in live, and that is in at 11:55. It is 11:55 here in Denver. Got to go to the Avs game soon. Vegas is in town today. So, Chris, you're on top. Paul, you're on bottom. Oops. Grab a fresh list. Chris on top. Paul on the bottom. We're going 3 times. Good luck. 1, 2. Paul on top and bottom. And that was in at 11:55. It is still 11:55. And third and final time, top 2, everybody. Eddie and Chris, top 2. That final timestamp is in at 11:56. It is 11:56. Again, 3 times. Eddie and Chris, congratulations.